Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Parks, the Outreach Coordinator for Berks Career and Technology Center. I love watching the show How It's Made, but have you ever thought about who designs all the tools and equipment for everything? The answer's machinists.
Machinists start with a blueprint or computer design. Next, they'll take a piece of material like metal or plastic and transform it into a very precise tool, gear, surgical instrument, or mold that will make other items. This is done by meticulously removing parts of that material with mills, drills, grinders, lathes, or a computer numerically controlled machine, also known as a CNC. Items created by machinists are all around you, like your cell phone, car, and many other things in your home.
If you're interested about learning more about computerized or precision machining, check out our website at berkscareer.com.